Hi guys, I'm now here in Palawi Island, particularly the camping site here in Palawi. Now, there are so many tourist spots, particularly here in Palawi. You have the Baratubot Falls, Cape Engaño, Anguid Cove. And this is the place where you are supposed to have your camping. How much do you pay for this? The camping is 250 per person. They also have a spa. They offer massage services here. You can also snorkel. The snorkeling fee is 250 for the gear and 300 for the guide. Well, this site is the only place again wherein you are allowed to camp here in Palawi Island. Now, how do you go to this place? You start from San Vicente, Santa Ana Port. You're going to hire a boat for 750. Going to this place, you're going to reach Punta Verde. Then you're going to go to this camping site. Now, the boat ride is good for 15 to 20 minutes only. Again, camping site here in Palawi Island. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Palawi Island. Bye guys!